Exercise 1.1, question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So here a number line is given to us and there are different temperature given for the different places. According to this number line, we have to solve these 4 questions A, B, C and D. Let's start with the first one. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 places are given and we have to mark the temperature, that what was the temperature of that city. So first solution, temperature of the places given as per the number line. Lahul Spiti, it's -8 degrees Celsius. Let us understand by marking it over here. This is 0, then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So Lahul Spiti is -8, this is -4, -3, -2, -1. So on to the left side, this is negative numbers. So Lahul Spiti first is -8, whereas Srinagar is -2. Shimla is on to the right side of the 0, so it is positive. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 degrees Celsius. Shimla. Ooty 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees Celsius. Ooty. And Bengaluru 20, 21, 22 degrees Celsius. So how to write this? So you have to write in this way: the temperature of the places, Lahul Spiti -8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar -2 degree, Shimla 5, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius and Bengaluru 22 degrees Celsius. This is the answer of the first question, that is A. Let's go on to the second one. Now temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place. Now let's see first which is the hottest one. So this is the hottest one, Bengaluru, and the coldest one is Lahul Spiti. And what is the temperature difference in between these two places, Lahul Spiti, which is the coldest one, and Bengaluru, which is the hottest one, which is already given on the number line. So let's see how to write and how to solve this B question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So we will write in this way, that the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place, therefore the hottest place is equals to Bengaluru, and that is 22 degrees Celsius, and the coldest place is equals to Lahul Spiti, that is -8 degrees Celsius. To find out the difference means to subtract. Different means to subtract. So the hottest is 22 minus -8 degrees Celsius of Lahul Spiti. So in the next step, when we have a negative sign outside the bracket, the sign changes of the value which is inside the bracket. So while opening this bracket, we will have 22 plus 8 minus plus, and that's why 22 plus 8 degree, that is equals 30 degree Celsius. So the difference between the hottest and the coldest place is 30 degree Celsius. This is the answer of the second one. Now let's go on to the third part, C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So Lahul Spiti is over here and Srinagar is next to it. So what is the temperature difference between these two places? Let's see how to solve this. The temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Srinagar is having -2 degrees Celsius and Lahul Spiti is having minus 8 degree Celsius. So therefore minus 2 degree. Now we have to find the difference. In the previous sum also there was difference, so we will use minus when there is word used as difference. Difference means to subtract. So minus 2 degree minus into bracket minus 8 degree Celsius. Again the same step, minus 2 minus 8 degree. So here minus minus is going to become plus, because while opening the bracket, if there is a negative sign outside the bracket, as I have explained, this minus will become plus. So what we have, minus 2 plus 8, minus minus becomes plus, as I have written over here. And now we have minus 2 plus 8, that minus plus is equals to minus. So minus 2 plus 8, 8 minus 2, that is 6, and the sign of the bigger number, that is plus, positive. So 6 degree Celsius is the answer of the difference of the temperature between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Let's go on to the last part of the first question, that is question number D of question 1. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than? Now taken together means we have to add. If Srinagar and Simla is added, whatever the answer we get, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla is added, because it is written over here that taken together, and we have to compare it, is less than the temperature of the Simla. First of all we have to add Srinagar's temperature and Simla's temperature, and then we have to find out that is it less than the temperature of the Simla? Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? There are three questions in this. First of all you have to add Srinagar and Simla, then you have to find out that is it less than Simla or is it less than the temperature of Srinagar. Let's see how to solve this. So temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together means we are adding. So the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Now we are adding this two. So minus plus, that is going to be minus. So minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, which is added. Minus plus minus, so 5 minus 2 is 3, and the sign of the bigger number, that is plus. So temperature together which is taken of Srinagar and Simla, we have 3 degrees Celsius as an answer. Now the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius, which is already given in the question. If you go through your number line, you can see that the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. So here the temperature taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. It is less than the temperature. When the temperature is taken together of Srinagar and Simla, the answer says that it is less than the temperature of Simla, because the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius and temperature taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. And the third part in the same was, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? No, it is not less than the temperature of the Srinagar. Now question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. So positive means plus and negative means minus. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25 in the first round, minus 5 in the second round, minus 10 in the third round, plus 15 in the fourth round and plus 10 in the fifth round, what was his total at the end? Let's see how to solve this. So Jack's score in 5 successive rounds, I have written all that 5 numbers which is given in the question, that is 25, and they are asking what is the total. So we have to add all that 5, but we have different positive and negative numbers given in the successive rounds. So first 25, then there is -5, then there is -10, then there is 15, then there is 10. So what we are going to do, we are going to bring all the positive numbers together. So 25, 15 and 10 will be shifted onto the left side. So 25 plus 15 plus 10, and then all the negative numbers, -5, -10, this is plus -5 plus -5, and these are all to be added. That's why I have written plus 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 in between them. So now adding 25 plus 15 plus 10 gives me 50, and -5 plus -10 as it is. Then going for the next 50 minus 5, that is 45, because plus minus minus, and then 45 minus 10, that is 35. So the score of Jack after 5 successive rounds is 35. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped. Now here there are two words. First is dropped, and the second word is over here as rose. Rose means plus and drop means minus. So here there are two words that we have to understand. That for drop we are going to use minus sign, and for rose we are going to use as plus sign. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So first of all, we have to find out the drop of the temperature on Tuesday. So let's see. So temperature of Srinagar on Monday, as it is given, it is -5 degrees Celsius. Then temperature of Srinagar dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So therefore the temperature on Tuesday of Srinagar, that is -5, which is already given to us, and drop means minus and 2 degrees Celsius. So -5 minus 2 degrees Celsius. So what we have, minus minus is equals to plus, and the sign of the bigger number, that is -7 degrees Celsius was the temperature on Tuesday of Srinagar. Therefore -7 degrees Celsius is the first answer. Now what the question is saying again, that it is saying that on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose, as I said, that it increased, plus हुआ. On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So our last temperature was -7 degree. So -7 degree plus 4 degree. So again minus plus minus. So 7 minus 4, that is 3, and the sign of the bigger number, that is minus. So answer is -3 degrees Celsius. And they are asking that what was the temperature on this day. So on Wednesday the temperature drop was, sorry, not dropped, rose was -3 degrees Celsius. So the first answer was -7 degrees Celsius as it dropped, and the second answer on Wednesday when it rose by 4 degree, the answer is -3 degrees Celsius. So here I have written a note that here drop means minus and rose means plus. Let's go on to question number 4. A plane is flying. There is a picture also given over here. You can see it very clear. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. Now this is the sea level. If we put a number line in a vertical position, so the sea level is 0, and the height of the plane that it is flying is counted from 0 to 5,000. So as it is saying, as it is said in the question, that it is 5,000 meter above the sea level, above the sea level. So this is above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine. So at a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating, which is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So now this is the sea level and it is floating below the sea level. So this 1200 is in negative and this is in positive. So what is the vertical distance between them? Now they are asking what is the vertical distance from the plane to the submarine in this way. What is the vertical distance? So let's see how to solve this sum. And the solution of the question number 4. First of all, we will write that the sea level is equals to 0 and the height of the plane above the sea level is equals to 5000 meter, and depth of submarine from the sea level is equals to minus 1200 meter. So the plane is at 5000 meter and submarine is at 1200 meter. So distance is minus. So again, as I explained you, that minus when there is a negative sign outside the bracket, when we open the bracket, negative sign changes to positive, and also we can say as minus minus becomes plus. So 5000 meter plus 1200 meter, that is equals to 6200 meter. So the distance between the submarine and the plane is 6200 meters. Let's go to question number 5. What is this question saying? Mohan deposit rupees 2000 in his bank account. So here there are two words. First is deposit and the second is withdraw. Mohan deposit. So for deposit we will use plus and for withdraw we will use minus. So Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount for the account is represented by a negative integer, as I said that for withdraw we will use minus sign, so automatically this 1642 will become minus, and as the question is also saying to put a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? So amount deposited will be represented as positive. So find the balance in the Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So let's find out the balance of Mohan. So Mohan deposited rupees 2000 and withdraws rupees 1642. As the question is asking that if withdraw amount is represented by a negative integer, that is how to write minus 1642. Okay, then deposit amount is represented by the positive integer, so that is plus 2000. So now to find the balance, we'll write 2000 minus 1642. It's very simple, just we have to subtract it. So we got 358 rupees. So therefore the balance is 358 rupees in Mohan's account. This is the answer. Going for question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to point B. So now here there is a figure given over here. This is saying that this is the west direction and this is the east direction. Now Rita traveled 20 kilometers towards east. So east is on to the right side. So traveled from here to point A to point B. So this is 20 kilometer. Let's read the question. Now from point B, so this is our point B, she moves 30 kilometer towards the west. So now from here she moves towards the west, and west is on to our left side. So 30 kilometers is over here 30 kilometers to along the same road. If the distance toward east is represented by positive integer, so when we are moving into the east direction, it is represented by the positive integer. Then how will you represent the distance traveled toward west? And by traveling towards the west, it's very simple. We will display it by the negative. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? So from A, what will be her final position? What will be the distance towards the west? Let's see how to solution. Question 6. Now, as the first line said that Rita traveled 20 kilometers towards east, and it is to be represented in plus. So towards east 20 kilometers, that is represented as plus 20 kilometers. Then she travels towards the west 30 kilometers, and it is also asked how you will represent. So we will represent it by minus 30 kilometers, and therefore if we add this, as the question is asking what or represent the distance traveled towards the west, so we will solve it as plus 20 plus minus 30. So again I am saying that when there is plus minus, this is going to be minus, so plus minus minus, and here also 20 is in positive, plus minus minus, so 30 minus 20 is 10, and 30 is bigger and it is having a negative sign, so minus 10 kilometer. Therefore minus 10 kilometers towards west from point A. So Rita travels minus 10 kilometers towards the west direction from point A, from where she started. So this is the answer. Let's go on to the next one.